Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In this tech tutorial we're going to reveal to you how you can duplicate tasks in your workspaces on ClickUp really quickly and without any technical skills whatsoever. So let us dive into this right away. So head over to your workspace on ClickUp and let's say for example you would like to duplicate a task like this. So what you will need to do guys is head over to your overview of tasks, for example within the to-do list in your space. And after that, hover your mouse over the given task, and here to the right you will see these three dots to access more options. So click on it and simply select duplicate from that drop-down menu. After that you will get asked to confirm the decision. You may for example assign a new task name to the duplicated version. You may assign a new location like a specific list or a team space, and you may also decide whether you'd like to copy the entire task content, everything, or only parts of it by customizing it. For example, unselect the attachments. For instance, if you'd like to upload new attachments to the duplicated version, assign new assignees, or you may simply leave it like that and duplicate the entire setup. So let me leave it at everything, and after that click on duplicate to confirm your decision, and that is going to create a duplicate for the given task. And that's basically it guys. Hope you enjoyed this video, got some value from it, and we'll see you next time.